Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome back. So in today's video, as the title says, we're gonna review the Don Mealy hair. You know guys that I'm bilingual, right? So just please don't judge me too much. So I'm gonna review, but they did contact, so the brand did contact me on Instagram and they asked me to review their hair, and I went myself. I buy it on Amazon. I didn't receive it from them directly. I bought it myself from Amazon. So if you go to Amazon, you go to the link that I'm gonna put below, you're gonna take it straight from Amazon. You know, it's not like a trick. They send me something better, so you're gonna get something bad. You're gonna get exactly what you guys are seeing, and I'm gonna let you know what I think about it. Okay, so inside of the box you're gonna have a wig cap. Eyelashes are the one that I did apply, and yeah, if you want to know what I think about the wig, keep on watching. Okay, so this is the box, how it came. Of course I open it. So guys, if you decide to buy from them, this is how it's gonna come like this. And when you open it, the box is very personalized. It's wrote Dominique hair. Okay, I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, I think it's very cute just to start with. So let's open it. So here in the back you have some direction on how to do it, everything. So it's showing you how to measure your wig, how to maintain the wig, the hair wig, and how to wash it. If you are very new with wig stuff, please read it. I'm not new, I know wig, I love wig. Please guys, forgive my nails, okay? So when you open it, this is how it came inside. So guys, I was just double checking something. So inside it came with eyelashes and a wig cap that so I was saying, right, inside it came with a wig cap and eyelashes that I'm already wearing, and I love those lashes. See that? So let's open it. So it's a very short wig. Let me show you very well guys, so you guys gonna know what you're gonna have. Okay, yeah, it's already plotted a little. So yeah, let's try. So I'm already wearing my cap. Oh my gosh, I don't think it's gonna be alright. I don't hope. Okay, let's try to see. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. The thing that I love the most with the wig, I just want it to fit. Okay, first of all, I love it. I want it to fit. I don't like when a wig is too small. It just make me cringe. Okay guys, okay. Oh my gosh, dear wig, help me to help your owner. Okay, it's a little bit small for me. I'm coming. Okay, I want to grab a mirror. It's very small. Okay, I'm trying to comb it out to see where it can come from. So because I like my hair to be puffy, okay, I was saying that I like my hair to be a little bit puffy. So I know I'm gonna lose some curl, but I don't care. I'm gonna comb it. I'll sometimes stand up and go see by the big mirror in my bathroom to see how it's going, you know, because I want to do like a beautiful hairstyle. You know what I mean, guys? I wanted to wet it, but I just don't know if I should wet it. But we're gonna do both, okay? We're gonna do our hairstyle. I'm gonna take pictures, then we're gonna wet it. So I'm just coming out to bring it out, to bring the curl to pop out. Okay honey, I'm gonna check out to the bathroom and I'm gonna come back. Okay, so far this is how it looks like. I received a Valentine, guys. So people, this is how it is when it's dry. Let's wet it. Okay, Alors mes chéris, j'essayais de am I speaking French? I'm sorry. So people, I just try to I need to wait. So people, I just waited right in front of your face, right? So you see how he gets when it's wet. I think it's those curly stuff, you know, those Instagram thing that we are seeing those days when they put water and conditioner. I recommend you to use conditioner because conditioner is going to keep all the moisture, the wetness basically, because if you use like a curly activate cream, when it's going to dry out, it's going to get poof. But if you use a conditioner, it's going to keep the wetness. So you see what one side how it looks like. So I want to save time. I'm going to go to my bathroom, wet the other side and come back. Okay baby? So guys, I tried to wet it, and the both side, this is how it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna come closer of course to comb it, but I'm just gonna conclude now, then I'm gonna show you later. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk too much. So thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you guys did like it. If you like it, please subscribe. I'm gonna show you more review about hair and wigs. Thank you very much. I'm Nappy. In my channel I'm Nappy 4C. In my channel, I do talk about nappy hair, alopecia because I have alopecia, and wigs. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's come closer. And I think you can also make it like a side wig, so I'm gonna make it beside to see how it looks like. Yeah, we can do it side. I didn't do the baby hair or stuff. I just didn't do it. I don't know, I just didn't do it. So you guys let me know which one you prefer, the side or the side. I'm gonna try to do my hair, not the baby hair. If I tell you guys that I just spent like 5 minutes trying to figure out where my gels or glue. So for the conclusion guys, when you buy it and when you touch it, I just want you guys to be prepared. It's not very like soft, but when you wet it, it's like very soft. It gets very soft. And if you want like an affordable wig that you guys can rock every day, at the time that you're gonna wet it, it's gonna get very wet. It's gonna get curly, it's gonna pop out, the curly is gonna come. If it's the curly that you're looking for, you're gonna get your wig. It's an affordable wig. You're gonna wear it anytime you want. I think I would do like I'm trying to do like 3 months later review of the wig that I bought, so we can see in 3 months how it goes. keep on me. I will let you know, guys. So far that's it. That's all I have for my review for this week. If you want to buy it, the link will be down below. I'm gonna put the link and the Instagram. You can come on my Instagram too, and you guys will see what you guys want to see and want to receive. So thank you very much for watching my video.